English speaking practice for students. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English because I enjoy reading and writing. How do you prepare for exams? I review my notes and practice past papers. Why is math important? Math helps with problem solving and daily calculations. What do you like about your school? I like the friendly teachers and the variety of activities. How can students improve their grades? By studying regularly and asking for help when needed. Do you prefer online or classroom learning? I prefer classroom learning for better interaction. How often do you read outside of school? I read a few books each month. What's a good way to stay focused while studying? Taking short breaks and keeping a quiet study area helps. What role do teachers play in your learning? Teachers explain lessons and help us understand difficult topics. Why are extracurricular activities important? They help develop new skills and make learning more fun.